Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove a watermark from any PDF file. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So if you open this, this is the sample PDF. As you can see, it's mentioned my channel's name over here. So there is a watermark or logo over here. So I will show you how exactly you can remove it. So all you have to do is you need to go to Chrome and you have to go to this website removewatermark.pdffiller.com. I will leave a link in the description, and simply you need to upload the file over here. So it's getting uploaded, and we'll need to wait over here until it loads. And as you can see, there's an option to go ahead and delete it. You need to press on the edit button over here and simply click on delete and press on done. So it will take some time for the process to happen. So once the process is completed, you can go ahead. We will click on stop sharing over here, or you can send it on email or send it for e-signature, or you can also save this document as PDF. So I will try to go and save this document as PDF, but before that you will need to sign up either with Google, Facebook, or Apple. So it is this simple to remove the watermark or logo from any PDF file. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.